In this video, we will be discussing about muscular tissue. Our main objective will be to learn about the different types of muscles in human body. Bones of a skeleton are connected to muscles. Muscles are masses of tough elastic tissue that pull bones when we move. Muscles functions by contracting. Muscles are categorized according to their differences in method of contracting, location and structure. Muscles shows the property of contractibility, extensibility, elasticity and excitability. When muscles are under conscious control, they are called voluntary muscles. And whenever the muscles are not under conscious control, they are called involuntary muscles. We have three types of muscles, namely skeletal muscle, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Let's discuss about skeletal muscles. Almost 40% of our body mass is made up of skeletal muscles. They are connected by tendons. Skeletal muscles cause movements of the body. Skeletal muscles are also stripped muscles because of stripped pattern. Each skeletal tissue contains myofibrils. Movements of the muscles can be consciously controlled because they are called voluntary muscles. The main muscles, the examples of these skeletal muscles are pectorals on each side of the upper chest, deltoid muscles of the shoulders, then the biceps what we have in the arms are also the example of skeletal muscles. Next we have smooth muscles. These are found in layers. These are involuntary muscles and the cells are spindle in shape with single nucleus. This can be found in esophagus, stomach, intestines, urinary bladder and uterus of women. Smooth muscles exhibit sustained contraction, so they do not fatigue easily. They are controlled by autonomous nervous system. Next we have cardiac muscles. Heart pumps blood through cardiac contraction. They are single-celled and uninucleated. Functions involuntary like smooth muscles. It's because of the cardiac muscle that the heart pumps blood throughout the body. They show rhythmic contractions and they do not fatigue easily. Finally, let's discuss about the summary. Skeletal muscles are attached to the bones and they are voluntary in function. Smooth muscles are smooth in appearance, as I told, and contract involuntarily. Cardiac muscles are specialized muscles found only in the heart. So thanks for watching.